Are you ready to experience a new era of smartphone technology that can interpret the world in real time? Imagine using your phone's camera to not only capture the world around you, but also to receive instant, AI-driven insights based on what it sees. Google has begun rolling out a groundbreaking feature called Project Astra, and it's already changing the way we interact with our devices. In this video, we'll dive into how Project Astra is transforming smartphones with real-time visual AI and how it's set to reshape the future of mobile tech. The future is here. Project Astra and Gemini live. Let's kick things off with a question. How often do you wish your phone could understand what you're pointing it at? We all have moments when we need answers on the go, whether you're trying to identify something, need instant information, or just want your device to understand the world around you. Well, now your phone might actually be able to do just that. With the rollout of Gemini live inside Project Astra, Google has officially entered the realm of real-time, camera-based AI. It's not just about taking pictures anymore. It's about engaging in dynamic, real-time conversations with your device. Gemini Live lets users hold up their phone and get immediate insights based on what they're looking at. Think of it as a personal assistant that's always ready to help, powered by your phone's camera. Want to know how many fingers you're holding up or get the name of a landmark you're passing by? Just ask, and Gemini Live will give you an instant answer based on what it sees through your camera. Seamless integration, Galaxy S25 and Pixel 9. For Samsung Galaxy S25 and Google Pixel 9 users, the future is already here. Gemini Live is available without the need for an additional subscription to Gemini Advanced. However, there's a bit of mystery about whether this is a permanent perk or just a free trial bundled with new devices. Either way, the result is the same. S25 owners can point their camera at anything, and Gemini Live will instantly interpret it. For example, if you're in a city and passing by a street, Gemini Live can tell you exactly which street you're on, all through your camera. It's almost like having your very own augmented reality guide at your fingertips, ready to tell you about everything in your environment. The tech behind this is pretty advanced, as it's powered by real-time AI analysis, which allows it to answer queries based on static images. While it doesn't offer continuous live feed analysis yet, it's still a giant leap forward for how your smartphone can blend camera-based object recognition with AI-powered conversations. Expanded features, screen sharing, camera insights, and more. But that's not all. Gemini Live goes beyond just camera analysis. It brings a new level of screen sharing to the table, allowing you to share what's on your screen with the AI for instant assistance. Let's say you're reading a news article on your phone and want a summary, or maybe you're shopping online and need help comparing prices. Gemini Live can do all of that while offering real-time suggestions, product comparisons, and even pointing out discounts. If that wasn't enough, Gemini Live can also switch to camera mode during screen sharing, which means it can analyze the physical world around you as well. This makes it incredibly versatile, giving you the power to interact with both your device's screen and the real world all in one go. Moreover, once you lock your phone or pause the session, the camera automatically shuts off for your privacy. It's the perfect balance between accessibility and privacy, ensuring you're not unintentionally broadcasting everything around you. Multimodal AI, the power of combining text and images. Google's Multimodal AI is another impressive component of Project Astra, pushing the limits of what smartphones can do. Rather than just processing text-based queries, this system allows users to upload images or take photos and then receive meaningful responses. It's about time we see AI evolve to this level of contextual understanding, where it doesn't just rely on a text input, but also deciphers visual data. Imagine you take a picture of a sneaker you're interested in buying. Instead of just pulling up a generic link, Gemini Live can recognize the sneaker and provide product details, reviews, and even show where you can buy it. Similarly, if you upload a photo of a complex pie chart for work, Gemini Live can break it down and help you understand the data. The cool thing about this technology is that it's powered by Google Lens, which already does a great job of identifying objects. But Gemini Live takes it a step further by using what Google calls the query fan-out technique. This process breaks down the image into multiple subqueries. So, if you take a photo of a bookshelf, for instance, the AI doesn't just identify the shelf, it identifies the individual books, queries data about them, and presents a curated list with purchase links. It's like having a personal shopper and researcher all rolled into one. The impacts on publishers, a double-edged sword. While all of these innovations sound exciting for the average user, they've sparked concerns among some independent publishers and content creators. Since Google's AI is now able to generate detailed summaries and even recommend products or services directly from the images or text it analyzes, some content creators have noticed a decline in web traffic. Google's AI can often provide enough information right there in the search results, making the need to click through to the original website less compelling. For example, a home improvement website might find that users are getting all the info they need directly from Google's AI summary, without clicking through to their site. While Google argues that the fluctuations in traffic are part of the natural shift in search algorithms, some are still worried about the implications this has on smaller sites and creators. If Google's AI continues to evolve, it could reshape the entire online content ecosystem, favoring large platforms and companies that can afford to invest in these tools, while making it harder for smaller creators to get noticed. The battle for AI talent, DeepMind's impact. As Google pushes forward with its AI advancements, it's also locked in a fierce battle for top-tier talent. DeepMind, the AI division acquired by Google, is one of the leading forces in the world of artificial intelligence, and the company is known for its high standards when it comes to hiring. In some markets, like the UK, DeepMind enforces non-compete agreements, making it harder for top AI experts to move to competing companies like OpenAI or Microsoft. While this might help Google retain its talent, it also creates friction within the AI community. These agreements, though not as common in the US due to regulatory crackdowns, still present challenges for innovators in the AI space. It's a tricky balancing act, as Google wants to secure its position at the top of the AI race, but also needs to foster innovation and creativity within its workforce. Gemini 2.5 Pro, pushing the boundaries of AI. Now, let's talk about Gemini 2.5 Pro, the latest version of Google's AI model, which has just entered a public preview. This upgraded version comes with higher usage limits and more affordable pricing for developers. It's priced to attract developers who want to integrate powerful AI capabilities into their own products and services. For anyone who's been following Google's AI journey, this move is a game-changer, offering new possibilities for those who want to scale their AI applications. With Gemini API and Google AI Studio being made available at a lower cost, developers can now build even more robust AI applications, taking advantage of the power that Google's AI systems have to offer. For developers, this is a crucial step in making AI more accessible and affordable. The ethical dilemmas, artificial general intelligence, and the future. As exciting as all of this is, it's impossible to ignore the ethical dilemmas that come with advanced AI. Google's DeepMind team recently released a research paper discussing the risks associated with artificial general intelligence. While artificial general intelligence holds immense potential for fields like science and medicine, it also comes with serious risks such as misuse, misalignment with human values, and structural flaws in the AI systems. Google acknowledges these risks and has outlined several defenses, such as restricted access to advanced AI capabilities and constant monitoring to ensure these technologies are used responsibly. The company's stance is clear. The more powerful AI becomes, the more careful society must be in ensuring that it's developed and used for the benefit of all. And that's a wrap on today's deep dive into Project Astra and Gemini Live. What do you think? Are we stepping into the future of smartphones? Or is this just the beginning? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.